Hello everyone, my name is Alok. I'm father of 2 boys, 9 trees, husband to one of the most beautiful princes of the world. I'm an engineer, an MBA, an entrepreneur, traveler, author, podcaster, a parenting expert and a business enthusiast for the last 18 plus years. And I'm helping 3 kinds of people. Number 1, people who want to start their business, any expertise which they want to monetize and give it a shape of a business. Number 2, people who already have an offline business and they want this business to into an online platform. Or number 3, people who already have an online or an offline business but they are not able to grow, they're not able to upscale. So I'm going to help you customize a business strategy for your particular business and help you grow your business multifolds with proven digital systems, right? So guys, I'm here to help you simplify your business and amplify your success. So do contact me. I'm available on all the social media channels by the name Business by Alok or Business Coaching by Alok. You can personally call me or DM me or email me at my official email ID alok@eadvitiya.com. I'll spell it. This is ALOK, Alok @eadwitiya.com. So guys, looking forward to see you and work with you so that I can help you increase your business multiple times. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.